Alright guys, right back at you. This is Bob. So today I'm making a new video, and today let me just get a slice of this pizza because gotta get that out of the way. Alright, so today I went to look at the girth on this sandwich. I got myself a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. And let's see what it's all about. Because I said, you know what, I'm making a video, might as well record it. You know, I was gonna eat it by myself, so I said, you know, let me just make a video about it. So I went to the store and I got myself a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. And look how mighty this thing is. A full 12 inches. Look at that. Ooh, let me see, I could make it, oh yeah, look at that. Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Actually, break it apart at the seams. So, let me just take one out. See how good this Philly cheesesteak sandwich is. Got a lot of peppers and stuff in there. Seems quite uneven, but check that out. Alright, thumbnail. There we go. Philly cheesesteak sandwich. See? Yeah. Eat with me. Let me go in for my first bite. This video is only about eating because I got nothing to say to you guys today except eat it all out. You can hear the traffic noise in back of me. That is pretty good, actually. It's now about 4 o'clock or 4:30 in the afternoon. I haven't eaten anything yet. Oh, look at that. So I said, let me just make an eat with me video. A little messy, but all good food is messy. So, what have you guys been up to? All my Space Alien friends and my fellow viewers and subs on YouTube. Gotta get an unsweetened iced tea. Gotta mop up this action right here. Look at all that. All that cheesesteak. Half of it is already finished. I don't know why. Because I ate it. But it's some good. This Philly cheesesteak is actually pretty good. You know? Look at that. Look at all that meat inside. See what I'm saying there? Okay. There's people watching, but I don't care, because you know what? I'd like to visit Philly one day, but not until I visit Chicago first. Of course, before Chicago, London. Okay, so the sandwich is mighty. So what are you guys eating right now with me? I don't know if it's mighty because I haven't eaten all day, or because I'm trying to save it for the video. There goes Freddy Krueger again in the school bus. But maybe it's a way to lose weight, you know. Try to eat twice a day instead of more than that, you know. I gotta get in the insides of this. Gotta go deep inside. Get the insides, you know? That fell out. Amazing stuff. So basically it's all finished. See right here? Got some scraps going on right there. That's what a finger is all about. Turn into a baseball, I'll throw it out the window. That's okay. I gotta throw it out the window yet? I mean, I'm not gonna throw it out the window. Keep right here. And I'm finished eating the slice of pizza I got with it. Right back, you guys. It's Bob from insert name here. That's good. So right back to you. This is Bob, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. And I just eat up the rest of it, right? So, what the hell? Take a bite. Alright, peace out.